So the curtains came down on another boys' champs, and what a championship it was. The final point standings are in. Kingston College won with 366 points, followed by JC 299, Calabar in third 207, St. Jago fourth 118 and a half, and Stets were fifth with 116 points. In sixth was Edwin Allen, 65 points. Wolmer's boys, 60 and a half points. Excelsior was eighth with 57 points. Magotty ninth with 46, and Cornwall College on 31 completing the top 10. Followed by Petersfield on 27 points, Herbert Morrison 22, St. George's College came 13th on 19 points, St. Catherine High on 18 points came 14th, and St. Mary High 15th with 17 points. Clarendon College was next, 16th with 15 points, William Knibb on 13, Titchfield 11 points, Monroe 10, and BB Cook on 9. In 21st was Vere Technical on 8 points. 22nd was Belfield, Charlemont, and Jonathan Grant, all scoring 7 points. Then it was Mushet, Steertown, Happy Grove, Port Antonio, and St. Thomas Technical, all on 6 points for 25th. This was followed by Campion College on 5 points in 30th. Heidel Boys, they came 31st with Denby on 4 points. Then Manchester, Dintill, and Greater Portmore all scoring 3 points for 33rd. Fogle Road came 36th with Mona, St. Thomas, and St. Mary Technical, on 2 points. Spalding and Camperdown rounded it off on 1 point. So how well did your school do? Leave a comment in the comment section, and remember to subscribe to our channel, Jamfet, spreading the Jamaican culture at home and abroad.